Hi classmates, my name is Chantel, and for today's persuasive speech, I will be persuading you in being able to help save lives by donating blood. Have you or anyone else around you ever thought about donating blood to save a life? For today's persuasive speech, I will be going over the importance of blood drives, the benefits of blood donors, and how and where to donate blood. For the first slide, I will be going over the importance of blood drives. Blood drives are extremely crucial to our community and to those in need of blood. Blood transfusions are also very crucial to those who are in traumatic injuries such as car accidents and to those who are currently doing cancer treatments or in surgery. For every 2 seconds, someone requires a blood transfusion. One fact about blood drives is one donation can save almost 3 lives. Benefits for blood donors. It does come with free health screening if you are not getting your regular screening for your health. It does come with free health screening. Being able to donate blood, it does help out with a healthier heart vascular system. It does increase you for lower risk for heart attacks and lower blood pressure. Blood drives are extremely crucial in being able to save lives. Blood is not common where we are currently in the most need of blood drives, blood donations. Blood drives are very beneficial because they are able to commute to any location. After doing some research, I have came up with a few places where you are able to donate blood. The number one being the American Red Cross, as it is the number one most trust-funded blood donation where you can go ahead and donate. America's Blood Centers, the Gulf Coast Regional Blood Center, New York Blood Center, local government offices, local churches, doctors' offices, and local hospitals. If you are unsure as to where you can donate, the easiest place you can donate is your local hospitals, doctor's office, and local churches. You can always Google as well as to your near blood drive, as many appointments have been booked as it is already. It is very important to donate blood. If you are unsure where to donate, the American Red Cross, it is the number one organization, trust-funded place to donate blood. The best way to donate blood and how to donate blood, you must be 17 years of age or older. You must weigh 110 pounds for donors 19 or older, as these requirements are very important to know prior to donating blood, as anyone who is under 17 does need a parent or guardian with them. You are not allowed to be sick. You must be free of any flu or cold, as it is important to be completely healthy, as well as it comes with that beneficial of having a free health screening. You must have a healthy, balanced meal and drink lots of fluids. Bring a valid ID as well with you as to your donation to where you're going to be going. And as well, lastly, you must answer a medical history questionnaire, as it is very important as well to know about your medical history before donating blood. In conclusion, remember, if you do decide to give blood today, tomorrow, or any other day, you may be helping yourself or a family member in the future. You never know when it is needed for yourself, for someone who you love, or just someone, or just a stranger. As it is stated here, 1 in 7 people entering the hospital will need a blood transfusion. Blood transfusions are very much needed. It is always more welcomed to go ahead and donate some blood. You never know whose life you're saving. It could be a loved one of yours, sometimes yourself. You'll know more about yourself. You'll know what type of blood you have, what blood type you have, as that is very important to know as well. But at the end of the day, you never know when an emergency will strike. It's very important to donate blood, and as well, within yourself, it's important to donate blood. So my best recommendation would be to find your nearest local church, your local hospital, get some more information prior to donating blood as to what you may need, the benefits, is saving a life, definitely. Thank you. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope at the end of the day you guys do decide to donate some blood.